no. Original.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face and I'm back with another brow tutorial. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all, I'm using my spoolie to brush my client's brows. So as you can see, she has very thin brows, but her brows needed grooming. Like I wanted to remove the extra hair that she had under her brows and on the top part of her brows. So I'm just going into a new blade. You want to use a new blade on your client, okay? And I'm just removing the excess hair that I have around her brows. Yeah, then after doing all of that, I'm going back into my spoolie and just brush my hair upwards. Then I'm going into my brow pencil from Davi. This is in the lightest shade and I'm just going to outline the top and the bottom of my brow. Okay, as you guys see me doing, I'm not starting from like where my brow is actually starting from. I'm starting like a few meters away. What am I saying? If you guys understand what I mean. So after doing all of that, I'm going back into my spoolie to just brush the hair that I have there to fill in the outline of my brows. Then next I'll go back into that same pencil and I'm just doing like hair-like strokes into the outline to try and fill up the space that I have there. Okay, I'm not doing anything too harsh. I'm just doing hair-like strokes because you want your brows to look like hair. All right, so after doing all of that, I'll go back into this classic pencil. It's actually in a darker shade, like it's darker than the pencil from Davi. And if you guys see what I'm doing, I'm just doing single hair-like strokes again in between my my brow hair. Yes, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, to have this effect like it's real hair. Okay, if you guys understand what I mean. Then after doing that, you want to use your spoolie to brush your brows. All right, and that's what we have. The next, I'm just going to do the same thing onto my next brow. Okay,
no. Original. Just say no. Just say yeah. Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make up bad man.
so after doing all of that, I'll go back into my spoolie, brush. Then I try to adjust my camera, okay, to focus on my brows because I felt like it wasn't really focused, so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go into my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey and my ZKL in the shade Neutral. I mixed these two colors together because the Warm Honey was kind of dark and the Neutral was too fair for her skin. Okay, then I'm using my concealer brush from ZKL. I'm going to leave the shade number down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And I'm just trying to clean my brows to give it that fresh and nice straight look. Okay, you just want to make sure your line is very straight and the shape that you wanted is what you're doing. Okay, and you want to be very careful. So I'm just going to clean the bottom and the up part of my brows and then going to my eyeshadow blending brush and just blend out that concealer that I have there. I have so many brow tutorials. I'm going to link them down below. If you care, you can watch any one of them. If you have any questions concerning brow tutorials, leave them down in the comment section down below and I am going to reply each and every one of them. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for the support. Click on the notification bell. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Original.
It's